Hello guys and welcome back to another video, and today we have a quick review of a lovely Dapol Manor. So this manor was brought to me by my good friend Kai, who brought it along the last time we did a meetup, and it's been in the collection for a little bit and it is absolutely glorious. It is going to return to Kai very soon, but I thought I might as well give it a review while it's here and just show you around this locomotive. It has been renamed and renumbered and has a gloss finish applied to it, which I think looks fantastic as well. But I just thought, just give it a final send off as well before it goes back. Might as well have a review of it. We'll say before we continue, me and Kai are doing a meetup again very, very soon with more guest locomotives coming along to run on the layout and some bits and bobs here and there. There will be some locos departing the collection as well very soon, and I will be doing a video on that at some point. So I will get through the reviews I need to get through, then you'll see that video, and then there'll be a couple more reviews after that and loads of other bits and bobs. So it's going to be a busy session for the channel, but anyway, let's get to Odney Manor and look around it. So I have obviously reviewed a Dapol Manor before, and that was Dapol Manor. It was a long time ago, but that was an relatively in-depth video, so I'm not going to go massively in-depth today, because that's the point, because I've already done one super in-depth. If you would like to see that, you can in the locomotive review playlist on the channel. Scroll all the way down, you'll find there is many Batman Manors, there's a Dapol one and there's a Curious Girl one, and a mainline one somewhere down there as well probably. So there's plenty of Manors. But anyway, we will just show you the main features of the locomotive, just so that I can show you how the renumbering and renaming has been applied and the gloss finish, stuff like that. Just show you all the bits and bobs of the loco, because it looks fantastic. I do really like the gloss finish effect on the loco. I think it stands out beautifully. And obviously, it being a Dapol Manor, it is very well detailed. I mean, obviously, you do have sprung buffers and fantastic lining and the gorgeous sort of brass effect on the on top of the loco there. The safety valves looks fantastic. So it is a glorious loco. So you'll see we have a new number on the front there, which is much bigger than the font that is originally on the Dapol Manors, which is known for being a bit too small. We do have the white smokebox dart as well, which is fantastic. Obviously the white buffers and the white sort of hinges for the smokebox door, which look great. Obviously the gloss finish across the boiler. We've got sort of a matte effect on the front, which has been applied, which looks fantastic. And then we have the gloss finish across the boiler and on the main paintwork of the locomotive, including the tender, which looks absolutely lovely. And then obviously you'll see the Odney Manor nameplates as well. So yeah, it's all been really well done. It looks fantastic. You can see on the top of the cab, you've also got the gloss there as well, and you do have it on the tender. It's not as obvious on the tender, but you can just see, look how nice that crest is there as well. Blade crest as well, so it does look fantastic. They are gorgeous locos, these Dapol Manors. You can just see how nicely it's been done and applied. Obviously, you've got loads of cab detail in there as well. So yeah, it's just a very, very lovely locomotive on the whole. So we'll give this lovely loco a quick running session before we end the video. So what we'll do is go and head over to the track and give it a run. So there is Odney Manor then down onto the layout, and it looks fabulous. Got some BL Mark ones attached, and we're just going to enjoy this running around for a bit. So let's get to it, shall we? Try it on that instead. Oh no, it's got flipping hums. I hate that noise. Right, let's go. Hopefully, have no issues as it runs around. Yeah, these obviously do have firebox flicker effect as well, which is a very nice feature of the locomotives. Do you like the Dapol Manors? They're lovely. Lovely, lovely locomotives. And they run very well as well, actually, which is a good thing. Because you want a loco to run nicely, don't we? So, yeah. It's a bit out of focus there, isn't it? Oh, yeah. So that is it. The review of the Dapol Manor, which has been renamed and renumbered to Odney Manor, and with a gloss finish and matte cement box applied. So yeah, it's a lovely locomotive. I will be sad to see this go, to be honest. Yeah, sort of don't want to give it right now. It is lovely. Yeah, so there'll be lots of videos to come. Kai is visiting very soon, and I'm really looking forward to it. We both are, actually. It's we really do enjoy having running sessions with the locos and whatever. It is really good fun. So I'll see you very soon for some more videos, and until then, bye for now.